My name is Shreya Patnaik. Welcome back. I didn't know it was possible to make memories for a lifetime in just 3 days. I'm mentioning the 3 days thing specifically because for the first time in my life, 3 days felt like a week. And when that happens, you know it's a good experience. The whole trip was summed up with a lot of insightful learning, enriching conversations, wonderful, sweet smiles and great people. यही तो होता है ना? I mean, magic happens when you put yourself out there, mingle with the people you don't know, and when you're open to new stuff. Okay, so for example, I knew nothing about professional photography before this, and the first ever photography workshop that I attended of my life was with the legend himself, Sir Vicky Roy. Dude, like, what I'm trying to say is, who gets such an opportunity? I'm grateful. I feel like the kind of energy you radiate, you draw things into your life. You draw the people. You draw experiences. I think that's a beautiful thing. So this trip will be addressed by the name of a Village Immersion Trip conducted by Youth for Sustainability, which is a youth organization at Blue Yard. But it was so much more than just a Village Immersion Trip. For the 3 days, we stayed in Baripada, which is a city situated in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. And every single day we used to travel to the foothills of Simlipal, which used to take us approximately 45 minutes. And then at 4 or 5 p.m. every day, we used to return back to our hotel. All our morning sessions were set in the different villages of Simlipal, and almost all of our evening sessions used to happen at the Belgaria Palace at Baripada. Okay, so on 9th of August, that was Monday, it was World Indigenous Peoples Day and our last day of the trip. We danced with the tribal people and it was pretty exciting, but no matter what, I couldn't match their steps. I know it looks very easy, but it's not that easy. That day, they also invited us to have lunch with them. So a ton of villagers were busy preparing for the lunch. I went and sat with a bunch who were busy cutting vegetables. They tried teaching me bits of Santhali, the language that they speak dominantly. They also showed me their WhatsApp, which was also in Santhali. And I was so astonished looking at that because, that was something I really did not expect. Also, on that day, after we completed all our sessions, all of us sat down in the front garden of the Belgaria Palace, forming a human circle. We individually spoke about our personal experiences in the past 3 days, and it was the most heartwarming moment. And I felt like I found a new family. So at the end, I'm again here to share a little something. The number of clips and videos that I took on this trip were definitely less than what I normally take. I am a person who chooses to live the experience rather than concentrating on showing how beautiful the experience was. And during this trip, there were a lot of such instances where I was so in it. I was so in the moment that I couldn't think of taking out the camera and recording. And somehow, taking out the camera and recording steals you from the present moment a little bit. Maybe I could have given you a better representation of the whole trip and my experience. If you think I haven't been successful, I apologize from the core of my heart. I hope that the next time I'll be able to strike a balance between living in the moment and also recording. Trust me, I'm working on it. But this time I just couldn't. And I chose me, which was necessary. And also, I don't think it's a bad thing to do. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, thank you so much.